everyone. In this video, we would like to show you the steps after receiving a document request, how to accept it, and how to upload documents. When we receive a document request from the platform, we can open it. In the email, we will find product information and article number. We click on Start Uploading, enter our username. And password. Then we are logged in to our account. We can click on Requests. Go to the Product Document Requests tab. In this tab, there is a function called Export to Excel. It can generate an Excel of all your document requests, including relevant information and list of missing documents. You can prepare documents according to this list. You can also check individual document requests. Click on View Request. Click on Confirm. This way we have accepted the document request. On this page we can click on View the information this list is based on. We can see how the customer answered the questions in Q&A. We can do a check, and if we come across any errors, we can give our feedback to the customer. The following shows which documents are requested. When we move the mouse over it, a detailed explanation is shown. There are also some resources available for download. And then there's the status. If you have not uploaded anything yet, its status is Not Received. If upload is done, but the customer has not checked it yet, its status will be shown as Unchecked. At the end, there is a blue Resources icon with a number on it, which is the number of resources available for download or for generating a form. Amongst requested documents, there are some risk assessment forms, which can be generated online. If you click on Create, a form is automatically created. If we answer the questions step by step, a completed form is automatically generated. After checking the list of requested documents, we can start uploading documents. The platform only accepts documents in PDF, JPEG or PNG formats. We click on Add Document. Then select the documents you need. Click on Open. When everything is showing 100%, it means upload is complete. Let's go to the bottom and check the statuses of uploaded documents. The initial status is unchecked. If a document is rejected by the customer, or if it's pending, we can see it here. When we mouse over the status, we can see the reason why it is rejected. Here we can select the document category. Let's say the Bill of Materials category. Click on Save. We can also add additional information here. For example, the reference number of a report, which lab the report was issued by, report issue date, and so on. Click on Save when you're done. If the status of an uploaded document is unchecked, there will be a red cross at the end. In this case, it is possible to delete the document. In other cases, for example when the status is checked or rejected, then it is no longer possible to delete the document. After all documents have been uploaded, please click on Save and Close. An email notification from the platform will be sent out informing the customer that you have finished uploading documents. If you have uploaded a part of the documents and the rest will be uploaded later, you can click on Save and Continue later. When the customer has checked the documents, they will give their feedback, and we find out if there is any issue. We can use the comments box to communicate with the customer. Let's say we type in here, "We do not have the RoHS report." Based on the list of requested documents, we upload as many documents as possible. If there are any documents that cannot be provided, or perhaps for some reports, there are special situations or remarks in the testing process, you can inform your customer and let the customer make a decision. If in a previously created technical file, there are documents that can be reused for this file, we can click on Select Documents from an existing technical file. Let's have a look. For example, Technical File 123. This file contains documents that can be reused. The documents are listed here. We can determine which ones can be reused. If reusable, we can just click on Add Document. The document is then uploaded to the right place in the platform. When the customer has closed the upload task, we won't be able to upload any more documents. The document request will then appear at the bottom as a completed request. We can only view, but not upload any documents. We can click on View. If we see any of the documents that are reusable, we can click on Download Document and save it to our local disk. Thank you for your attention.